All right, those are my butter snap pretzels. I'm instantly gonna come in with my Hershey's Kisses. I already unwrapped all of them so that I could be super quick with this. And we are gonna place one kiss onto each of our pretzels just like so. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a delicious sweet treat, perfect for the fall time. I absolutely love making these for parties, or you know what, if you just need a little snack, you can throw them in the fridge and snack on them all fall long. Oh yeah. All right, now that we have that first row done, I'm bringing in my hugs, which are these fun little striped Hershey's. I like white chocolate just as much as dark chocolate, so I wanted to do a nice little combination of both. And we're just gonna start another row with these delicious hugs, but you could also use the cookies and cream kisses. You can use the dark chocolate kisses. You can use whatever kind of kiss you like. You can even use a Rolo if you're really feeling it. But we're gonna go ahead and finish these off with our kisses and get this whole platter filled with our hugs and kisses.
I want a kiss.
All right, we're placing our last one right in the middle, and then these are gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, while our pretzels are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small sheet pan, and I'm gonna bring my graham cracker squares, and we are gonna place 6 of our squares right onto our sheet pan, just like so. Get them about 1 inch apart from each other. We need to have some room for this super easy, spooky dessert. You guys have probably seen this. It's taking over the internet, and it's so good. Now I'm coming in with my jumbo marshmallows, you guys. And we're gonna take 3 of these marshmallows, and we're gonna grab our scissors, and we're gonna cut our marshmallows in half just like this. Makes it super easy to separate them. And we're gonna put 1/2 of each jumbo marshmallow on top of our graham cracker, kind of smush it down so it sticks to that graham cracker. And you guys, we're not just making ordinary s'mores, we're making something super amazing with a fun Halloween twist. You guys are gonna absolutely love this if you do like s'mores, but this is gonna be an upgraded version that you can make in your house, and you don't need to start any bonfire for this. Okay, last one. So easy, only a few ingredients, and you can make as many as you want. All right, now the one thing we're missing from our s'more is some chocolate. So I found this double chocolate Pillsbury cookie dough, and I knew it would be perfect for this recipe. This is kind of how I'm putting my own spin on this. Usually you use the regular chocolate chip cookie dough, but we're doing chocolate.
Those are huge.
I know, and they're perfect. We're just gonna kind of smush them and then wrap them around our marshmallow. This is super important, or else the marshmallow will just puff up and the cookie dough will just fall off of our delicious s'more. So go ahead and grab your cookie dough. My hands are clean, as always. I always wash my hands, and then just smush them around our marshmallow, just like so. All right, and these are gonna go right next to our pretzels at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. All right, so see how these are nice and shiny but still have their shape? That's how you know that they're perfectly melted. So you could add a little Halloween M&M on top, but we are a candy corn family, so we're adding candy corn. And we're just gonna go right on top of our kiss, just like this. See how they're perfectly melted? And we're gonna quickly get our candy corn on top of our kiss and our pretzels. Oh my goodness, we gotta do this super fast before the chocolate hardens. All right, last one. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna pop these in the fridge and let them completely harden before we give them a taste. All right, I pulled these out of the oven right away. Look how spooky and delicious they look, but they're not done yet because we gotta make them extra spooky. And this is what I've been seeing on, you know, the internet that's going crazy, is adding these little candy eyes. They're just little sprinkles that you can find at your grocery store. And we're just gonna plop them right into our cookie, just like this. Look how fun and dorky this is, but just extra cute for Halloween. I just love what these little sprinkle eyeballs bring to the cookie. So you have your chocolate s'more cookie with a fun little Halloween twist that makes them extra spooky and cute. All right, these all have their little eyes on, so we're gonna go ahead and let them cool with our pretzel little snacks, and then we'll be ready to eat. All right, both of our spooky treats are ready. Look how delicious they look. Of course, we gotta get an equally spooky platter to display them on. We're just gonna go ahead and grab our little pretzel bites and place them right onto our platter, just like so. Go ahead and get our spatula and get our cookies off of the cookie sheet. Okay, just be careful, that marshmallow wants to stick to the sheet pan, but the graham cracker will help it not stick. If you make these cookies, definitely put some parchment paper down because that will help them come off more beautifully than mine, but I am still happy with how these came out. It's time to give these a try. I'm gonna start off with our little candy corn pretzels. I love a salty, sweet treat. Absolutely perfect. Now for my favorite part. A spooky, gooey cookie.
Is it good?
Best thing I've ever eaten.